Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 2nd of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. Looking at euro dollar now, and we've had this support that came in on euro dollar 11.55, and that support has held and sort of started to make its way to the upside. Although I'm seeing this as more of a consolidation. I'll show you why in a minute, but on the hourly chart it's more prominent as a consolidation rather than the potential for a next leg higher. However, momentum indicators on this chart are fairly neutral really. You've just seen indicators turning up, RSI turning up around 50, MACD line still positive, or still on the positive side of neutral anyway, and stochastics also turning up. So the reason I'm still positive within this trading band generally is the fact that you're above the pivot level or pivot band that I've got in here, 10.50 to 11 figure, and also you've started to see this support coming in. Now this was this correction of the last few days, then started to see a consolidation. You can see here it's more of a consolidation than a sort of rally that's going on, but it is a positive move because you've seen momentum indicators which are relatively positive, relatively sort of upbeat anyway, and certainly the sort of posting of higher lows in place throughout really, which you can actually get a little bit of an uptrend, which suggests we're seeing further gains, or certainly pressure to the upside growing. I'm not saying it's breaking out, I'm saying the pressure is sort of starting to sort of pull the euro higher, although just in the last sort of 12-18 hours or so we've seen a bit of a sideways consolidation in the euro. It's still, I think, the fact that you're seeing lower higher lows and momentum indicators more positively configured. I think you're on sort of the positive side of neutral, I think, on this chart, and generally speaking that's pretty much in keeping with the daily chart as well. So for now you're sort of using little corrections as probably buying opportunities, but I think you're going to be seeing pressure probably towards that 113 figure area. 113.30 was yesterday's high. I think if you saw a move above the 1364 high that we saw on the 27th, I think that would sort of give you an indication that the euro is starting to strengthen again. But for now, I think it's on the sort of positive side of a consolidation pattern that we're seeing. So that's my outlook on the euro, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.